What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be doing a unboxing of the March Ipsy. This is this is not the sample one. This is the one in the middle. So it's not the $12 one, it's not the $50 one, but it's the $25 one. I was actually on my way home from work and I stopped at the mailbox. I said, you know what? Let me see if my Ipsy here. So I figured we'd unbox it together. So I've actually never received anything from Ipsy before. This is like brand new to me. So if you want to see what's in this box, then keep watching. So after some cutting, well, actually just like a simple slice, this is what it says. It says discover yourself. It's actually my birthday month, so I'm not sure if that has anything to do with it, but oh, it comes with like this cute little like acorn thing. I love that. Okay, that's super cute. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. So the first thing I see, this is hemp's pure herbal extracts, sweet pineapple and honey melon herbal body moisturizer. I really like the little plant on that. I think that's super cute. Hydrate and refresh. Okay, so it's kind of like it's a small bottle, but oh, it smells so good. All I smell is pineapple. That smells really good. And this is okay, so the next thing is this Pick Perf Auto Balm. And this is by the brand The Balm Cosmetics. This is an eyeshadow palette. It says shadows on the go, which it is very portable. It's a small size. I'm actually pretty excited for this because it has some, I believe these are like transition colors right here. This one is called Neutral Primer and St. Charles. My staple right now is like a big palette by BH Cosmetics, and they have only one transition shade if you ask me. So I'm really excited to get these two. I'm super stoked to try those out. I'm also really excited to be trying this one right here. So this was just a, I should have been covering the camera, a eyeshadow palette with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different shades on top and 3 different ones on the bottom. Okay, so my camera actually cut off, but, so the price on the eyeshadow palette was $26. And the brow gel was $22. So the next thing I see in here is, I see vegan and not tested on animals. This is a Luna Liner water resistant liquid eyeliner. And it comes in like a really dope box. I think that is so cool. Woo, it's tripping my camera out. That's awesome. Okay. And I'm not sure. I believe this would be in black, but I'm not really sure. The price on this one is $18. And yeah, it is in black, so it actually has a casing. It's a casing inside of a casing. Okay, anyways. But yeah, I'll just go ahead and swatch that. Ooh, and it comes out pretty dark too. So I guess it's water resistant. I'm so picky about my liquid eyeliner. I literally only use one, and it's actually from the drugstore, and it's the only one I've been buying for going on like 3 years now. It's the Milani liquid eyeliner. It seems like my camera is seriously tripping right now. Anyway, so there's 2 more things left. This is Phase Zero. I believe this is like a lip cream or a lipstick. It's just a black box with white a black box with white writing. Let's see what color this is in. It's in the color Undercover. That is so cute. I love that. A matte liquid lipstick. So this is actually like one of the colors I always wear, so I'm really excited to try this. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like, I want to say cookies, like sugar cookies, and I'll go ahead and swatch for y'all. So I don't know how well that's going to stay, but that's very similar to the color scheme I kind of wear constantly, so I'm happy with that. And last but not least, we have a I guess this is an eye gel. Yeah, so I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is retailing at $42. This is, I believe, the most expensive thing in here. Our eye gel revitalizes tired-looking eyes, brightening overall eye area with rice and soy. Soothe and alleviate puffiness with cooling cucumber. Marine extracts bind and hold moisture, so on and so forth. They have some more explanation on the product. So I guess I'm kind of interested to try this as well, but I'm not too big on like eye gels, I guess. So I might gift that to somebody, but here's the bottle if y'all were interested. It just looks like this. And so it's just, it has a little pump. So yeah. And also, this is the bag. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not too impressed with this. I think the wording's pretty cool, but other than that, I mean, I didn't really buy it for the bag though, so. Okay guys, so that was my unboxing of my March Ipsy. I want to know what y'all think about it down below. I believe that my favorite thing in here that's going to get the most use is the eyeshadow palette, because it's so tiny and it looks like something I could carry around with me. And I've also been wanting to get some new eyeshadows. Right now I have the Zodiac palette by BH Cosmetics, and that's my go-to just because there is such a big color selection in there. But I am really excited about the I want to say these are like transition colors right here, so I'm excited to kind of try those out. Also this kind of rosy plum color, I'm really excited about that. Yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed my video, and if you haven't already, subscribe, comment, and like, and keep watching. Stay tuned for more.